Are you worried about losing your home? Are you upside down on your mortgage due to a drop in home values? Are you in an adjustable rate loan and don't want to pay $10,000 in closing costs to get a fixed rate? Are you trying to stop foreclosure and avoid bankruptcy? Are you behind in your mortgage? Do you feel like your lender took advantage of you and ignored federal and state lending laws? We can help, but you have to call 1-877-32-HELP-2. That's 1-877-324-3572 for your free consultation now. We can take an adjustable rate out of control loan and aggressively work to save you a substantial amount of money so you can afford your home. This is not a refinance. This is a permanent loan modification. Let us explain how the recent government relief for homeowners can help you. Just call 1-877-32-HELP-2. That's 1-877-324-3572 for your free consultation now. This is a non-lawyer spokesperson.